Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. Financial market traders are bracing for volatility over the US election counting period. But elsewhere, global manufacturing remains subdued as new order intakes contract for a fourth successive month. The global factory PMI is dominated by large countries, especially the US and China. But at the positive end are healthy expansions in India, Spain and Brazil. At the other end, however, is the Eurozone, Turkey and Australia. New Zealand would be too if it was included in these benchmark surveys. New orders for manufactured goods in the US fell by 0.5% in September from the previous month, extending the revised 0.8% decline in August and loosely in line with the market expectations of a 0.4% drop. In China, banks are foreclosing on a growing number of apartments after homeowners could not pay their mortgages as the country's housing crash threatens the financial system. And the surge is overwhelming their legal system in some places as well. Bank balance sheets are being weakened by the trend. But maybe this will pass soon. Their housing market got year-on-year growth in October for the first time since February after a raft of recently introduced supporting measures. Sales of newly built houses and pre-owned homes climbed 3.9% in October from the same period last year. India's factory sector came in with an improvement in performance in October, with their PMI rising marginally and regaining momentum. Output growth rose, fueled by faster increases in total new orders and especially export orders. And later today, the Australian Central Bank will review its cash rate target. Almost everyone expects him to hold that rate unchanged at 4.35%. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 4.33% and down 4 basis points from this time yesterday in fairly volatile shifts. And the price of gold will start today at $2,733 an ounce and down $3 from yesterday and still well off its high. And oil prices are up almost $2 at $71.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just on $74.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 59.8 US cents and up 20 basis points from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, though, we're down 10 basis points at 90.8 Australian cents. Against the euro, also down 10 basis points at 54.9 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just under 68.7 and marginally softer from yesterday at this time. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.